Hello everybody, welcome to Benji's Clubhouse. Spending some time outside with the birds today. Benji walked all the way over here from all the way back there to where that boxwood is, and she took a bath. She preened herself and now she's resting. I didn't know she would come in here and take a nap at that same spot that she usually does since it's covered in snow, but that's where she's at. Those are her footprints in the snow. Everybody else is in the garden. Let's see here. Hey, Benj. Nice and sparkling clean. Let's see. They're all in a line. Got my ducks in a row today. These girls are ripping up my onions. I'm taking a dust bath. I have Egyptian walking onions in there. Those are perennial onions. But I'd be surprised if anything comes up next year. Tina's doing that. Oh. Don't tell me you're afraid of Mabel. You scared Sally. Tina, what are you doing? Was that a drink or something to eat? Looked like something to eat. What are you doing? Mabel has snow falling on her. Oh, here comes Benji on the move. Benji, don't get tangled up in there. Oh, jeez. Well, this is what we're doing. It's about 33 degrees outside, so exactly 1 degree above freezing. Come on, Benj, you can do it. Oh boy. Alright, I'm going to help her, and I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. There you go. I made her a little bed right up in that lavender bush. She really likes being in there. Oh boy, there she goes.